Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot. Today we are going to do the brain developer exercise of page number 84 chapter 9 using primitives. Last video that we have done, in that we have seen the different logo commands of chapter number 9. They were like pen up, pen down, pen erase and clean command. Show turtle, hide turtle, that clear screen, clear text, that commands we have already done with chapter 8, and along with the last video I have also shown you the hide turtle, show turtle, clear screen and clear text. You were given the prep for question A, B, C, D. Now here it's the time to see the correction mode. If any doubt anywhere, you can erase and you can write the correct answer. So let us start with the filling the blanks. Question number A. ST command is used to make the turtle dash on the screen, that is reappear on the screen. Reappear means somewhere it is been hidden and it is been shown again, okay, to be seen again. So that is called reappearing, right? So whenever you use ST command, ST is show turtle. At that time the turtle reappears on the screen. Second blank, the dash primitive allows us to put the turtle pen down on the screen. Now here children, you can see the whole word is given pen down. You can even write PD, right? So that is also a correct command. So which command is used to do the pen down? That is either you write pen down or PD. It will be correct. Third one, the dash command brings the turtle to the center of the screen. I want my turtle to come in the center of the screen. Now here also there is one more command called home, but according to the option hints given here, there is no home command, right? Here it is written clear screen, okay? So we are writing here clear screen because it also it brings the turtle to the center of the screen. That is true. Same way home command also brings the turtle to the center of the screen. You do not need to worry. Suppose if it is asked in the filling the blanks, then you can write home command because that is also correct, okay? But if it is specified, the dash command clears the screen and brings the turtle to the center of the screen, then you need to write clear screen, right? Number 4, when we give dash command, the turtle disappears from the logo screen, that is hide turtle. Number 5, to use more than one primitive at a time, we must leave a space between them. Now here this is, for example, if I want to draw a square, okay, I can write all the commands in one line. How? FD space 100, again give a space, RT space 90, again give a space, FD space 100, again give a space. So in a one line you can write. So what it is written, that to use more than one primitive at a time, we must leave a space between them. Number 6, the pan up primitive orders the turtle to take the pen up from the screen. Whenever you are writing the command, this all are one word. Pen up to be written together, pen down is to be written together, okay? And whenever you give a short command, like for pen down you give PD, that also to be written together. clear screen, CS, together. How HT is written, right? Same way, please write it together, then only it is called a correct command and it will work in the computer. The next one question is true or false. Okay, now when we have started a chapter 8, I told you that you can save the file, but you will learn that in form 4 how to save the file. Just now you are making a small command, small programs, so that is no need to save. But when you make a program which is used to in another program also, at that time you need to save that file. So whenever you save a file is always given an extension. If you remember, in MS Word we have learned what is an extension. So in the same way, whenever we save a file, the logo extension is .lgo. It's not .logo. It's false. Number 2, the CSCT primitive clear the picture drawn on the main screen as well as the text in the commander window. So that is true, right? If we write CSCT together, see, here they have used more than one primitive at a time, right? This is CSCT, you can see. The same blank is here. To use more than one primitive at a time in a line, what do we give? We give a space here, right? So CSCT primitive clears the picture drawn on the main screen as well as clears the text in the commander window. So that is true. Number 3rd one, the clean command clears the picture and brings the turtle back to its home position. Is it right? No, right? It is clear screen which brings the turtle to its home position. So number 3 is false. Let's go to question number C. Tick the commands which require the number of steps with them. HT we do not write anything. CS also is written alone. Clean command is also written alone, right? We don't specify any number there. LT is left, right? But we have to specify how much left. 20, 30, 40, 90, how much left you want to turn the turtle. Same way FD, forward, how many number of steps you want the turtle to move in front. Then right, same way left, the same way is right. If you want to move the turtle to right, then you are supposed to give the number, right? So you have to tick in number 2, 4 and 5. It is correct. We specify the number with number 2, 4 and 5. Number 2 is FD, number 4 is right and number 5 is LT. Hide turtle, clear screen and clean command, we do not specify any numbers, right? Then the next question was question D, application based question. Vicky wants to draw a figure on logo screen. However, he cannot see the turtle. Which command should he use to get it back on the screen? So Vicky has to use show turtle, right? So he can see, or we can say that the logo command reappears on the screen when you use show turtle. Number 2, Suman is unable to clear the text present in the recall list box and input box. How will you help her to do this? Of course, if you want to clear the text, the simple command is clear text. So Suman needs to use clear text command, right? So this was your question D. Show turtle and clear text. These are the two commands which Vicky and Suman will use when they want to reappear the turtle on the screen and when they want to clear the text from the recall list box. So this was your prep given. You can cross check your answers. Any doubt, you can just erase and write the correct answer, right? Okay. Now we go to the next page, page number 85. Question E, multiple choice question. The dash command does not draw but activates eraser. Right? We have seen the pen command, pen erase. PE is pen erase. Number 2, which command is used to make the turtle reappear on the screen? Now you must be familiar with the word reappear. Whenever you hear this word reappear or read anywhere for logo, it's always show turtle. Third one, the dash primitive clears the entire drawing from the screen but leaves the command turtle at its last position. That is clean command, because as we know, clear screen, it will erase and bring the turtle to its home position. But clean command, it will erase the entire drawing but leave the command to its last position. Command means turtle to its last position. So this was your question A, B, C, D, E. Question E is on page number 85. Now we are going to do answer the following question F. The same thing is been put up in the ERP in the worksheet classroom. Okay, let us do question number F. Which command do we use to clear text from the commander window? Clear text command is used to clear the text from the commander window. You can even write CT command. CT command is used to clear the text from the commander window. That is correct. Second one, what is the use of PE primitive? PE is pen erase, right? Its full form is pen erase. Now what does the pen erase do? It will erase only a line while moving the turtle, right? It will erase a line while moving the turtle. If you want to erase a part of a drawing means a line of a drawing. You have made a square, but the last line by mistake it's little bit bigger than the other all. So that extra line, if you want to erase, you have to use pen erase. And how does it work? Pen erase command is used to erase a line while moving the turtle. Third one, which command is used to lift up the pen from the screen? Pan up, right? Pan up or PU command is used to lift up the pen from the screen. Okay, so first one is clear text. Second, pen erase command is used to erase a line while moving the turtle. Third one, pen up command is used to lift up the pen from the screen. Number 4, why do we hide the turtle after drawing a figure? I have drawn a shape but I want to hide the turtle. HT helps to view a clear drawing on the screen. Okay, why do you do hide turtle? If you do hide turtle, you will see the picture clearly, right? Otherwise that small turtle will be there in the corner of your drawing. But if you do hide turtle, full shape you can see, right? The last one, which command will bring the turtle to its home position after clearing the graphics and text from the screen? Graphics is the image, is the shape that you have drawn, right? So if you want to clear the picture and the text, then we have clear screen and clear text. These are the two commands will bring the turtle to its home position after clearing the graphics and text from the screen. So this was your page number 85. Now, even in the last video, I had talked to you about my activity section. Now, in my activity section, there are questions where you are supposed to draw the shape or a figure, and the commands are already given to you. That type of question I have used here, and you can draw it in your book. First of all, we will do page number 86, my activity number 1, right? So this is the shape for the same. You can see there are so many commands given here. Half of them are just scrolled upside. Okay, you can see only few commands here, but all the commands are being typed here. And this is the shape when I type the following commands I will get. So this is page number 86, my activity, first picture. Okay, so you can draw it in your textbook with the help of a scale. And please see, first it is an arrow and then you can draw this shape. Okay, so it will be very easy for you. First you draw this arrow and then you draw this shape. Okay, so this way, with the help of a turtle, you can draw even this type of shapes, right? Then the next one is number 2. When I give the following commands, I get this type of shape, flower type of shape. Okay, now here again you can see I have done here, I made a mistake, so I have used the pen erase command and pen paint. Actually it is not there in the book, but I made a mistake while typing. So at that time I have used this. I did not clear the screen or clear the text. At that time I just used pen erase command because only one line I had drawn extra to erase that. So I used it, pen erase command. Okay. Again I have hide the turtle here. So you can see my turtle, you can see my shape clearly. Otherwise what would happen? Somewhere here my turtle will be seen. Right. So this is your my activity, page number 86. This is second figure and this is your first figure of that page. Same way children, my activity of chapter 8, okay, that is page number 79. The first one is rectangle. You can see over here. Here I have not hidden the turtle, so you can see your turtle is there, right? So if you give hide turtle, then you can see the clear picture. Here I have not hidden the turtle, only to show you. Okay, why we use hide turtle? To see the screen, to see the image clearly. Okay, so if I do here HT hide turtle, then only rectangle will be seen. This is your page number 79, question A, first shape in your textbook that you are supposed to draw. Page number 79, my activity, question A, number 1. Okay, here all the commands are seen. So see, first one is BK40. Suppose this is in the center of the screen. So BK40 backward, then RT90, it will turn the turtle and then it will draw the BK70 line. Okay, so this way you can even draw your, using the BK command you can draw the rectangle and square even. If you put all your 40 40 40, then it will become a square. Instead of 70 70 70, if you put a 40 40 40, then it will become a square, right? Because all the four sides of the square are equal. So this way you can draw. You have to draw it in your textbook, page number 79, my activity, question 1. Question A, number 1. You have to draw this with the help of a scale. Second one is this type of shape, but here they have used a home command. Okay, so whenever I use home command, wherever my turtle is there, from there it will draw a line. Here I have used hide turtle, so you can see my image clearly. So you need to draw it with the help of a scale in your textbook. That is page number 79, my activity, question A number 2. Okay. Next one is page number 80, my activity, question C. Here in question C you will able to see how to draw the alphabet. Okay. So the first alphabet that is been drawn is F. So you open your page number 80 and there you draw F. Okay. Then page number, same page, page number 80, question C number 2. Which alphabet is there? A. Alphabet A. You can see these are the different commands. I have here used ST because here I have hide the turtle, right? So I need to see the turtle, how it is working, how it is moving. Then after drawing the shape I have done hide turtle. So this is the way how you draw the shape when the commands are given to you. So this was your my activity, page number 79, 80 and 86. The questions that we have done, there you are supposed to draw the shape. Okay. So second important thing, chapter 8 log on to logo and chapter 9 using primitive is one of the continue base. Both of them are having the same commands, like the same topic, that is logo commands. Okay. What we have learned in chapter 8 is the different types of logo screen, right? There are the two types of logo screen. This is main screen and this is commander window. This area where you can see the list of commands, this is called recall list box, and here we type the below the recall list box we have small box, white color box, where you type the commands, that is called input box, right? And then whenever you want to execute your command you have to press enter key. In chapter 8 even we have seen the different commands like forward, back, left, right. Okay. If I do LT 180 or RT 180, it will make a half turn, right? Then in chapter number 9 you have primitives or you have logo commands like clear screen, clear text, hide turtle, show turtle, pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen paint, and the last one clean. Okay, clean command. So these are the different commands that we have seen even in the practical class and in the videos. So you can remember the full form. If you remember, I have also sent you one worksheet where all the commands I have shown there with their full forms. You can even refer that. It is in your worksheet classroom. Okay. So theory of chapter number 8, chapter number 9, and one more logo commands worksheet is been given. That was you were supposed to write in your classwork, sorry, not classwork, sorry, in your study book, just for a revision. So even you can go through that also. So if any doubts, so in the coming interactive class you can ask me. Excuse me. Thank you for today. Have a nice day, children. Take care.